my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all some tips to get the best hairstyles this festive season. My festive hairstyles are incomplete without the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. This product has literally changed my hair game. Now I do have very dry and frizzy hair length, but since the day I started using this Oil Serum in my routine, my hair game has literally changed. This serum has worked wonders for me. It just makes my hair look so much more smooth, soft and shiny. This serum has become my favorite in my everyday routine, and when it comes to festive hairstyles, think no further. This is the best. It's literally my staple in my everyday post hair wash routine, and I just love this serum. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all 3 very easy lazy girl hairstyles that you can do this festive season using the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum so that your locks look fabulous no matter what the occasion. So let's get started. Talking about the Oil Serum, it comes in a beautiful heavy duty glass bottle, and it also has a pump for easy dispense, which I love. Oil Serum has a very lightweight consistency and a non-sticky formula, which I personally look for in a hair serum. Plus it is also infused with 6 precious floral oils that would make your hair 30 times stronger with adding 24 hours of shine and softness to them. Also makes your hair frizz-free, tangle-free, protects your hair from UV rays, humidity and pollution, and that is what makes it the #1 serum in the world. And talking about my favorite ways to use the Oil Serum in my routine, firstly has to be as a heat protectant. I love using this Oil Serum. I simply apply it all over my hair length before using any heat tools. I love applying this all over my lengths before styling, as this serum provides protection to my hair against heat up to 230 degrees. That's not it. My major issue has to be that I have plenty of baby hair and loose strands sticking out of my head every time, but this Oil Serum helps me tame down those flyaways, and a little dab of it is literally what I need. Also, this serum acts like magic for frizzy hair. It just takes down the frizz and makes them so much more manageable. Okay, so now let's move on to 3 easy lazy girl hairstyles that you can try this festive season. Moving to hairstyle number 1, starting off with my damp hair. I love to use this serum as a heat protectant. As I said before, it also provides heat protection up to 230 degrees. So I simply like to apply this Oil Serum from L'Oreal Paris all over my hair length and only then blow dry them. Hairstyle number 1 is very easy. I just like to do a middle partition and comb my hair. Post that's done, taking small sections from one side and twisting them back and securing them with the help of a bobby pin, and doing the same on the other side as well. It's very simple, very basic, yet looks so cute. And you know, I just love how versatile this hairstyle is. You can carry it with any kind of look. Moving on to hairstyle number 2. It's a very simple and easy hairstyle. All you would need are such headbands that you can easily get in the market. Such embellished headbands can come to rescue while you're in a rush and just want to do a simple yet classic looking hairstyle. It's very easy. Again, I started off by sectioning my hair, and I just like to take my fringes out first so that they do not get lost inside, and then you can just simply place such embellished headbands, and there you go. It was so easy. Like literally it just took me like 2 minutes to do this, but you can just style your hair then. And do not forget to use the Oil Serum once you're done with that as a finishing touch all over your length to add that extra shine, and it also makes your hair so much more smooth and manageable. I also like to use the Oil Serum along my split ends as it seals them, making my hair ends so much more smooth, and that is the final look. It's super classy yet stylish, isn't it? Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 3, which is another very easy and quick hairstyle. I just like to start by sectioning my hair into 2 halves and taking the top half along the crown. I just take it back, and you can use any kind of fancy rubber bands. Again, you can easily get them, and with the hair tie, just tie your hair normally like a ponytail. And what you have to do is simply twist it inwards and flip it down, and there you go. You can see you get that twisted detail along the sides, and then you can simply add one more knot to secure it and make it tight and just stretch it out so that it gives a beautiful tight look from the front and a twisted classic look from the back. Very easy, yet it looks so pretty, and the embellished detailing of the rubber band also adds to the prettiness of this look. And from the front section, I just like to add some volume by taking my hair up a bit at places, and my major issue again has to be my loose baby hair sticking out every time, but I've got a fix for it using the Oil Serum from L'Oreal Paris. Just a dab of the Oil Serum on those baby hair and tame those flyaways. It's an instant fix for frizzy hair and flyaways, and I just love using it. So those were the 3 very easy hairstyles for this festive season. Now what I love the most about the Oil Serum is that you can use it in multiple ways as an overnight treatment mask for your hair. You can also use it before shampoo and even after shampoo on your damp hair to get those smooth and tangle-free hair. It's like an instant fix to get those smooth, shiny hair anytime, anywhere, and you can see the result yourself in the before and after. My hair looks so much more smoother and shinier. I would highly recommend you all to try it out for smooth, frizz-free hair and shine bright with bouncy hair this festivities. Also, it's amazing for its price. You can grab it for 649 rupees and totally worth it. You can also find the serum in a travel size variant. I'll have all of the purchase links mentioned in the description box. Do check that out. That being said, I wrap up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. We shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Happy Diwali, namaste, and keep trending.